like I'm feeling like a man. Lately, can't nobody do it like I can. Daily, baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fan, yeah.
Hey y'all, so the unit that I'll be rocking today is from UNice. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to install it. So I'm applying my wig cap and then I'm gonna put some foundation all over my wig cap. This is the unit. It does come pre-plucked. I added some foundation to the lace. This is the UNice Reddish Brown Kinky Straight 4C hair unit. It's a 13x4. It is a lace front. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it with some Got To Be Glue freeze spray. And like I was saying, it does come pre-plucked with baby hairs at the front. They're a little long, so you'll have to like cut them, you know, to your liking. So this unit is in 24 inches. With this unit, I really didn't want to do baby hairs, but y'all know I have a low hairline and I don't want to pull my wig all the way down on my forehead because that's gonna look crazy. So yeah, so I just decided to go ahead and create two, and that's just what I'm doing here. The only product that I use on this unit is the Got To Be Glue freeze spray and a little Eagle Salad gel to go ahead and lay down the baby hairs like you guys see me doing here. And don't worry about the lace. When I do my makeup, I like to go over the lace with some of my foundation so that it blends in better. Since this unit is really long, I really would have preferred it in a like 14 or 16 inch. I decided to go ahead and do half up, half down because that's the only thing that's really gonna work for me because of this length. Because I don't like hair in my face this long like that. I don't know. So I'm just gonna do a ponytail at the top because this is a lot of hair, you guys. This unit is super full, and I don't mind hair being down, but not when it's this full, you guys. Like, this hair is super full. You get a lot of hair on this unit, so I'm just combing it in the direction that I want it to go. And then I did decide to go ahead and do sideburns on the side. I changed my mind. So yeah, and then I did use a hot comb to get it as flat as possible. So for my ponytail piece, I'm going to take some of the hair out of the ponytail spray with some Got To Be Glue freeze spray, run my flat iron over it, and I'm going to wrap it around the base of the ponytail just so that it doesn't have any flyaways. So that's just what I'm doing, and I did curl the back off camera. So these wand curls turned into more like waves, but I'll talk to y'all a little bit more about that as the video goes on. So I'm just curling up the ponytail. Alright you guys, so this is how the unit turned out. Very pretty. It's giving beach waves. I love how full it is. And I love the color. It's so glamorous and just something different. I love it. Hey, I'm crew. What's good? What's poppin'? What's going on? What's tea? How you feeling? How you living? We back up in this thing. I'm back with some fresh, something new, a fresh new look, and I'm really feeling the vibe. It's giving. I feel like this unit is for the brown skin beauties, okay? This is for my brown skin girls. Like, look at this hair. What do they say? A little commotion for the hair, a little commotion for the hair. No, but this hair is beautiful, you guys. One of my favorite textures. Y'all know how I feel about Kinky Straight. Kinky Straight hair gets me right every single time, and y'all know this unit is from UNice. So get into it. UNice always come through with the bomb popping UNice that I love so much. It is in 24 inches, and this is their reddish brown Kinky Straight unit. I said yes for UNice coming out with some color on a Kinky Straight. Yes, I love it. So I'm so used to wearing like Kinky Straight darker. You know, you have to dye it yourself. But this is so freaking beautiful, so full, you guys. Like, the color is so beautiful. Like, y'all see this color? I feel like now, I don't know what happened with this piece. Let me curl it. But I feel like now I want to get my hair like this all the time. This color. Like, this color is so freaking pretty. I absolutely love it. Like, this is bomb. Like, I feel like the unit is speaking for itself. Like, there's not really much I can say. Now, I'm not going to lie. I don't know if it's because this unit obviously is dyed, but my wand curls didn't stay in like I thought they was going to do. Normally, when I do Kinky Straight hair, the wand curls stay in all day. Like, they stay in for a long time. I feel like these definitely turned into, like, beach waves, which is really interesting to me. I wasn't really expecting that, and it might be because too I did curl this unit on my head, and typically I don't, but I have to get a mannequin stand, so that's why. Yeah, I had to curl it on my head, and I really don't like doing that. So that may be why too, because I curled it on my head. But it still turned out really pretty. I feel like the waves look really pretty anyways. Like it might have would have been too much maybe if they would have been tighter. But I think it looks really cute. I decided to put it up because that just works the best for me. I feel like it turned out really pretty. And then obviously I already know I was going to do my eyebrows to match. It does give off a little bit of shedding, but it's not bad, so it is minimal shedding. The hairline already comes like pre-plucked and ready to go, so you don't have to worry about anything like that. And before we go ahead and get out here, make sure you guys check out my vlogs. If y'all have not been watching the vlogs, y'all need to go and check those vlogs out. What's going on? But y'all already know I gotta go ahead and rate the unit, so I'm gonna go ahead and give this unit an A. It's a beautiful unit. I have no complaints about the unit. So make sure you guys check out UNice Hair. Everything about them will be in the description box below, so check there. This beautiful reddish brown wig, kinky straight wig that I'm rocking for the 4C girlies. My natural hair girlies, this is us. Like, this is for us. It will be linked in the description box below if you are interested in this unit. I mean, why wouldn't you be interested in this unit? Like, look at it. Look at it. But so yes, you guys, everything you need to know is in the description box below. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.